You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word and this name. There are different pronunciations. If you're talking about the type of tea, the Indian pronunciation in English is as chai tea, chai tea. Now, this is also a name of Hebrew origin, meaning life. Life in Hebrew is pronounced as chai. So the equivalent English pronunciation is as chai. English pronunciation chai, Hebrew pronunciation chai, Indian pronunciation chai. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.